I'm Tori Chenier. I'm in my first year. I'm 17 years old. I'm from Grand Prairie, Alberta. I'm number 9 on women's hockey. I'm taking sports management. What got me into hockey is my big brother because I grew up watching him at the rink and he's my role model. My best hockey memory is winning Alberta Cup because it was a great experience and we were the first North team to ever win. I'd like to think of myself as an offensive forward. My favorite player is Dustin Byfuglien, and in the future, I'd like to work in medicine and have a big family.
Tryna copy what I'm on. Get your own, tryna pick a new bone. Right to brother Skip, boy, I had a good day. Metro PCS, trapping bone, making plays. 50 shades of gray, beat that p like Hulk Hogan. I know you know my slogan, if it ain't about guap, I'm gone. Was hating cause I'm chosen from the concrete I had rolled. Shorty staring at my necklace cause my diamonds really froze. Put that in her, bet she feel it in her toes. I'm a real young